What is up everyone, how you doing, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G microphone not working problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing microphone not working while calling or while recording something in Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings. So first just open settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.